Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Mykut store reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and you can see a Black Friday sale is going on and you can get up to 10% to 20% discount on all products, and it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple products including Baby Yoga Santa custom ornament, and the Black Series Boba Fett premium electronic helmet, the Mandalorian helmet, Darth Vader and Stormtrooper helmet 1:1 Bluetooth speaker, 3D Wars, Star Wars AirPods case, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's check out the payment information. So here you can see the website accepts online payments through Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Mastrio and PayPal. Now let's check out the shipping policy of this website, and for that you need to visit the footer menu option. Guys, the site is not much mobile friendly as this is non-clickable. You will getting difficulty while searching or while clicking these options. Anyways, I would like to inform you all that according to the website details, orders will be processed within 1 to 5 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the security HTTPS protocol. So this is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. And talking about the domain info, so guys, the domain name was created on 10th of March 2020. This means that this website is 9 months and 7 days old, and according to a study we have found that this site is registered for 1 year only. Now guys, to know more about this website's legitimacy, we need to check out the About Us section of this website. For that, again, you need to visit the footer menu. And this time, this option is offering, difficulties while clicking. So you can find the About Us section of this website while you'll check it at the desktop. So, but guys, according to our study or according to the website details, no information is available regarding the business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is not a good sign. And talking about the contact details of this website, so you can find the contact us page by visiting the contact us page of this website, and you will get the contact us page in footer menu as well. And they have provided an email address and contact number, but yes, they have not provided company's official address, which is not a good sign. But guys, the email which is given on this web page, that is contact us page, is matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Now let's talk about the social media presence. So you can see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube social media icons are available on this website. But guys, I would like to inform you all that the website has no social media presence on these social media platforms, because The social media icons available on this web page are inactive and misleading. So do not trust on the social media platforms of this website. And talking about the return policy of this website, guys, you need to visit the footer menu option again, and there you will find, no guys, you will not get the return policy page on this website. No return policies available on this website, which is a negative sign. Guys, do comment about your experience and refund or return of the product if you have. And yes, apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 8%, which is not good. And talking about my good store reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet. But yes, according to the research or study, we have found the Mandalorian helmet on Amazon, and there you will get a 37 rating. So you can research about it from your end. So guys, in the final conclusion, we would say, please check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order from this website. And yes, you need to explore this website before making any online purchase. Make a wise decision, guys, because the site seems to be suspicious, as there are so many loopholes, including the absence of complete contact details, zero social media presence, security measures problem, and unavailability of company's complete information led to believe us that it can be a suspicious site as well. So we can't say this is a legit website, so you need to explore this website at your end. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.